Hi, today we're going to look at the KNF Concept Trail Camera. It's a 48 megapixels one. It has a 4K Ultra HD video with sound, no glow night vision, 20 meters. So the night infrared illumination is up to 20 meters. It has a LCD of 2.4 inches and trigger speed of 0.2 seconds. So yeah. Let's see what else it says in here. High-speed trigger. Yes, this is kind of like the same information. Ultra-wide detection angle. That's really good. And it's IP66 protection. So that's how you can take an SD card of up to 512 gigabytes. That's really good to see. What else is new? So capture up to 10,000 images with 8 AA batteries. I'm gonna see if I can use some rechargeable batteries, and it comes with a 1-year warranty. But they do include dual A batteries. So let's see what we have inside. Really nice package, and that's quite heavy. I guess that's where the batteries are. So we'll put this on the side, like so. And let's see what we have in this box. So they give us a manual, which is very useful. And these are the batteries they offer. It's really nice that they give you some batteries. This camera, it's quite inexpensive, and they also included some batteries. It's 1.5 volts LR6 alkaline. Okay, so these are the batteries. Let's put them aside. This is the cord that you wrap around the tree, or where you want to place it. So yeah, seems to be pretty decent in terms of size. I think it's just a bit more, maybe 1.5 meters. So that will give you kind of like a tree. It's a decent sized tree. Yeah, so we'll put that aside. This is the micro SD cards. They give you a V3 A1 class 3 64 gigabytes micro. Actually, it's a SD card, not micro SD. Yeah, so that will be great to use. We'll test that in a minute. This is the camera itself. As you can see, the night vision LEDs, and also this, I think. And that's your main camera. So let's just take this off. And also this covering the camera lens. Nice one. So that's the camera itself. Right. So that's the design of it. That's where the strap will go through, and then around the tree, like so. Yeah. And then around the tree. I'm not sure what is this gonna do. Okay, so you can adjust it to be tilt or straight. That's nice. That's really good. It's nice that it also has a tripod mount, and not quite sure if this means that you can constantly have it plugged in if you want. That would be a bit tricky. Yeah, that's nice to see, and that's covered with a rubber seal. And then in here, the last thing we have, it's a micro USB cable if you want to do the data transfer, probably. And I have no idea what is this for. Let's have a look. Let's quickly check the manual. So it explains everything. So number one is the PIR sensor. Yep. Then number two is the LED infrared light. Oh, it's under there. I guess these are the, it says working buckle. I guess is the one that you open. And then that's your main camera, number three. Lens. Oh, I don't want to touch that. And number four, which I didn't even see, working light. Oh, okay. Interesting. Obviously, they describe all this. That's where you put the batteries. Micro SD card goes in there, inside, which will be in there. Let's see if they tell us. Ah, okay. So it's a 3-nail. So where I said that's a tripod mount, you could also use it with this. Very interesting. And then that's external power supply. Camera can be connected to an external power supply. And it says please use a DC connector. Probably they sell one on their website. Okay, so I'm just trying to understand how this works as well. Okay, that's quite simple. So this is a spring. So you just first put this inside the tree, like that, and then make sure it's in this position. Then you install the camera, and that should give you enough space to rotate. Perfect. Okay, that's a good thing to have. Not quite sure why you have this as well. Anyways, I'm gonna use the strap most of the times. So let's just open it up. So you see these two clips, and you can also lock it with a padlock or something in there by the looks of it. Let's see if I'm not wrong. And if that's what it is. They don't say, but I think you can definitely put the padlock on here. So if someone finds it, it will be a bit hard to open it. So let's see how we can open this tray. And let's put some batteries in. I'm gonna pause the video. Okay, so let's just install the batteries. Okay, so make sure you install them following the plus and minus settings. You put this back in, and then if you press that's the on off button, I guess. Yeah, on off test on. And let's just install the card. So I will assume that it goes in like that. So let's just turn it on. That's a decent size display, and as you can see, that's what you're gonna see. And there's a timer in there by the looks of it. Okay, so it goes to, if you don't use it, it just goes into a sleep mode maybe. No idea what happened. Let me just figure it out. Okay, so I think I know. So off, that means obviously it's turned off. Test, that means you can operate all these buttons. And then on, that means it's ready, and you just leave it there and you will take shots. So let's just move it on test, which is middle. And now you can see all the details. By default, it's 720p. And then the date, you probably have to set up yourself manually. That's how much battery we have. And probably that's how many minutes we can record. Well, let's have a look. So that's the menu. So it's like a camera menu. And you can see these lights are flashing as well in here. So you have mode, photo resolution, photo series, video resolution, TL video, video length, audio recording, shot lag, sensitivity, motion sensor, target recording time, time lapse, language, endless capture, time and date, photo stamp, password protection as well. That's really good to see. Beep sound, format, memory card. What else? Yeah, let's just format the memory card quickly. Okay, so it's doing that now. I think it's done. Serial number, and you can reset it and version. Okay, so let's just go into the beep sound and turn it off because that will consume battery. Password protection, I guess you just put the password they want. So how do you select the password? I'm gonna just put 111 for now. And okay. And that's on. Back. Photo stamp. If you wanna put the time and date. So that's how it is now, or you can just turn it off. That's fine, we'll leave the time for now. Let's just set up the time and date. So first of all, I wanna change the time format. That's fine, 24. Date format, I just want day, month, year. And then we'll set it up. I think today it's 27 maybe, let me see. $26 or 27. Let me just check that. So 26th of July. And the time, it's 20:33. Okay, that's done. And let's capture what we have there. Okay, that will take probably a continuous shoot, which I don't want. Language is fine. What kind of languages we have? So there's a few languages in here to choose from. I will just stay on English for now. You have the time lapse, normal or TL video, target recording time. Okay, that's off at the moment. Sensitivity, motion, middle. Let's just leave it on middle for now. Probably high, it's consuming more battery. Shot lag, 30 seconds. We leave it like that. I'm happy with that. They say you can go up to 0.2 seconds. Audio recording, yes, why not? Video length, 10 seconds. Yeah, let's just leave it as default for now. TL video resolution, I'm happy with that. Video resolution, let's just put it on full HD. Get nicer picture videos and photos series. One photo, let's just do 2 photos in a series. That means it takes twice. Photo resolution, I do one use, actually I'll leave it on 5 for now. Actually, let's just go 12 megapixels. And then mode, photo and video I want, and that's it. So let's just go back That hasn't changed yet. Maybe let's do a restart. Let's see. Oh, as you can see now, I have to enter the password. So I just go 1, 1, 1, and OK. Okay, perfect. That still didn't change. I'm not sure what's that though, so I will see. So if let's say I'm ready, I'll put it on and give me a little bit of time to put it in position. Okay, taking more than I should. So as you can see, there's a light in there. And I guess when it's a new detection or something, it will light up. So I'm gonna just place it in here. I'll shut down the lights and I'll see what kind of footage we get. Okay guys, so I was just checking. It also shows the temperature in Celsius and Fahrenheit, the date and time. And yeah, this is what I managed to capture just by moving my hand. So yeah, I'm gonna test it and I'll let you know how it goes. It did a video as well, but it was with my face. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you one more thing. So if we put it back on action, and if we close all this, and if I shut the light off, you will see the infrared. So it has this blue light flashing, and you can see probably the infrared now, or the night vision thing. Yeah, so now it looks like it's closed down. I don't know when he actually records. It's still a bit of a light in my room, so it's not fully dark, but yeah, I'm gonna test it, and I might add at the end some videos as well, some footage, and I'll see how it goes. But we just have to wait for a night. I'll put it in the garden and see what animal activity I have in there. So yeah, thank you for watching, guys. This is the review of the K&F Concept trail camera. It has a lot of options, and I'll play with it, and yeah, I'll see how it goes. Thank you for watching.